Okay, this is the east side of the town of Estes Park, Colorado. So we're going to go on what's called the River Walk. This is Christina Biquette on July the 7th, 2013. So we're just going to be taking a nice little tour. I'm using my really small camera right now because my other one isn't working right. But anyway, it's pretty nice. And I have the opportunity to live not too far from here part-time. And really enjoy it a lot. Here's what we do. There's a lot of traffic on the weekends. So I'm going to run across the street. Okay, now here we're coming to the bridge. And these are some of the restaurants and shops on the east side of the town. Over there, the red building that you see up there, I don't know if you can tell that it says Ed's. This is Ed's Cantina, and it's a really good Mexican place. Kind of a fresh Mex, American Mex. And Ed just happens to live down the road from where we do. So let's see. Oh wow, here's a chime. I've never seen this before. This is really cool. So let's see what we can do with this. Here is a chime. I will point this at the river and I will see if I can point and play. I don't know if you can hear this. Okay, well that's my playing. This is really cool. I never have seen that they've done this for us. Okay, well this is the Big Thompson River. Nice and full of water this year. And I'll just continue on my trek along the river. And here's the creek coming into it. This is really a lovely town. If you've never been here, you ought to just come on in. And as long as I'm taking you on this merry way, I just want to let you know that my blog posts can be seen at www.empowernetwork.com//copper blue, COPPERBLUE. Empower Network is EMPOWERNETWORK. Now there are a lot of people along here. I'm just trying to not really get too many of them. But this is Kind Coffee. Now Kind Coffee is a, they have a lot of organic coffees here. Great place. They've got Wi-Fi. You can go in and sit down, and they stay open in the winter time too. A lot of the places here don't stay open in the winter time. And it's pretty quiet during the winter, but you can still get places and you get really good deals during the winter if you want to come in and stay throughout the winter. This wildlife photo art shop, a local photographer out of Son, he's got excellent pictures, photographs and such. Okay, let's get back over here by the river because there's not really much to see right now. Down to some of these flowers. Oh, and some of the wild roses. The wild roses are out in full bloom right now. And I'm hoping this camera picks up some of the color because it's really gorgeous. Really sharp pictures, sharp colors. Okay, now I'm not going to keep talking. I'm just going to go down the river here and now as you're looking at this, if you were going to continue going and looking on the other side of the backs of these buildings, it would actually be the fronts of them. This is all the back side. Elkhorn Drive, I believe it's called, is along the front of all these buildings. Oh, look at this. That's really pretty. And this is Mary Jane's. Mary Jane's is a nice shop to come to. Okay, we're going to go back here and get some more of the river. See if I can not run into this lady here that's taking pictures of somebody else. Okie dokie. This here is a gallery. And then a lot of the shops, at the top of the shops there have condos where people rent. So you can rent a condo. This is a Starbucks behind me. But let's... There's On the River. On the River is a massage studio. And this is a Starbucks. And for example, there's a luxury loft up there that you can rent. And I can't remember how much these go for a night. I've never had to rent one because I've got a place up here, so I don't know. But there's the hillside behind it. Wonderful clouds today. It's a little bit overcast today, so some of the colors aren't going to be maybe as bright and crisp. I'll just stop here for a second. And in the fall, a lot of the times along these hillsides, the elk will be coming down when they're rutting around October or so. And you can hear them bugling. And I'm going to switch over here to where you can see the other side of town. There's Elkhorn Drive right there where you see the cars, and you go on the other side. And I'll make another video over on that area on another day.
Except I don't think they only come in one student.
Maybe my hand.